I am Dr. Santo Riva. I'm the owner of Victory Performance and Physical Therapy, and I've got something for you. So the new year's coming up, and this is typically the time when people like me and like you decide that it's time to start being healthy again and active. And it's easy to talk yourself out of being active if you've got pain, and especially if you've had pain that's been lingering for a long time. So I decided to put on a workshop because I've had an overwhelming number of people call us over here that have been suffering with pain for a long time, and they haven't known what to do, and they've tried other PT places, or they've been to chiropractors, or they've tried a myriad of things over the years, and they're not getting the relief that they're looking for, hoping for. So I'm putting together a workshop. It's a free workshop, and we're going to talk about the 5 stages of rehab, so to speak, that you have to go through if you want to be able to get better and hit the goals that you want to hit. So again, we're putting it on for free. The clinic is located here in Culver City, across from the lovely DMV, if you know where that is. I hope you don't know where that is, or I hope you've never had to stand in that line. But that's what we're doing. Free workshop. If you have any lingering pain that's stopping you from being as active as you want to be, or if you realize that this lingering pain is actually just giving you a reason to have an excuse not to be as active as you would like to be, this workshop is perfect for you. If you're not really committed to being able to put in the work that's necessary to get better, this is not for you. Okay, so if it sounds like you just want an easy fix or quick fix, not for you. But if you are ready and you want to get started on this right now, please come to this workshop or put your name in. You just got to click the button below here and fill out the form. We'll give you a call, and we'll make sure that this workshop really is tailored to answer all of the questions that you need answered so that we can get you moving closer to a healthier you.